2013 Toyota Camry rear brake light, the third LED brake light out. It's this guy right here. It comes as a whole little unit. Again, this is a Camry XLE. This is the hybrid one, but I believe it's the same for non-hybrids as well. So what you want to do is come back here, and then we're going to go ahead and get this old one out. Now, it's actually, there's no bolts. It's pretty easy to get out. We're going to just slide this backwards and kind of go up. As you can see, it kind of moves already by itself. Here's the part number for the new one. I'll link it in the description for Amazon. It's on Amazon. Here's the new one. Now if you look over here, it's just got these little plastic hooks. So basically what we're doing is we're going to be pulling it backwards and then kind of lifting it out. There is an electrical connector though, so we'll have to unplug that. But basically you don't have to, but I kind of took like something like a flathead and just kind of popped it up to get it started right here, just to kind of get it, my fingers underneath, and then I could pull it backwards and up, and then this guy comes out. But you don't want to just rip it out and just rip it towards yourself, because you're going to rip that connector off. So once you get it loose, you got to get under here and disconnect the electrical connector. Alright, so once you pop it up, there's the electrical connector right there. Now there's a tiny little white button that you have to push down and then pull this whole connector backwards. My fingers are too fat to get to it. I'm going to have to use a little tool. Like a small flathead would be perfect, or just a butter knife, or just anything that could push that little white button, that center button. I'm going to fiddle with this for a minute. I got one hand doing it, so it's kind of tricky. I'm filming with the other hand, so I might have to just do this with two hands off camera. But yeah, you just push that center button right there, and then with your other hand pull the whole white connector backwards, and then it'll come out. You know, a little tough because it's like you're like reaching behind the glass, or like behind the seat, and the glass gets kind of low. Alright, so once that's out, we could just kind of massage that guy out. I got my new one here. And then again, you saw the part number, I'll link it. So we're just going to come over here. Now with two hands, just put this connector in first. What I kind of had to do is turn this guy sideways, because I was having trouble getting it in. If you have thinner arms, it'd be better, but I just kind of turned it sideways like this and plugged it in. And then very gently, and making sure not to mess with the wire harness, I turn this around. Just don't let the wire harness get caught on the little hooks. This is basically the hardest part of the job, is just getting that connector in and then getting this able to go back where it needs to go. Like that. Just be patient. Turn it around. Just get it plugged in however you need to do it. And then we're going to come in here. We're going to sink those front hooks in first, and then the back ones. And then you could just kind of check it, make sure it won't pop up. And you should be good. Alright, go ahead and test it. I have my little tool to push the brake pedal. You could have someone help you. Just push the brake pedal, see if it lights up. And that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. This video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.